The city of Chirchik is located 30 kilometers from the capital of Uzbekistan in the spurs of the Karjantau and Chatkal mountain range on the bank of the river of the same name. In April of 1932, the Council of Labor and Defense of the USSR has made a decision to build Chirchik electrochemical plant and 2 hydroelectric power plants. The government has assigned execution of this decision to recreate State Building Administration Chirchik Stroy. At that moment, Chirchik Stroy was the biggest complex construction activity during second 5-year plan with huge economic value. It opened wide perspective for development of power industry. In the same year, as a part of Chirchik Stroy Trust, the government has created electromechanical workshops for manufacture and repair of electric equipment of Chirchik hydroelectric power plants. At that moment, they have created a base for future plant. A new page in the history of a plant was opened in 1942 when on the base of workshops evacuated from Leningrad equipment and Electropult plant personnel, Electro Shield plant was created. Electro Shield plant was only one plant in Central Asia which could manufacture electric boards, power transformers, safety devices, and other electrical devices. In tough conditions of wartime, equipment was installed and commissioned very fast. Companies started to execute orders for needs of battlefront and national economy. During post-war period, plant has mastered manufacturing of welding devices, distribution devices, control cabinets for hydroelectric power plants, and transformer substations. At the same time, the plant has mastered manufacturing of a new type of sealed transformers. During this period, the plant has developed and started batch production for more than 400 types of products. Distribution, power and special transformers, all types of transformer substations, and high-voltage components. In 1969, the plant was renamed to Chirchik Transformer Plant, and in 1994 it was turned into the joint stock company Transformer. In 2003, state share fraction and statutory fund of the company was cashed in to foreign investors and company got its old historical name, Chirchik Transformer Plant. Our plant has always successfully mastered new products and executed difficult orders. In 1982, per special order of Moscow authorities, the plant supplied 2 transformer substations with a power of 1,000 kilowatts complete with dry transformers, domestic manufacture, which was installed and is operating at a height of 300 meters on Ostankinskaya TV tower. For the first time in USSR, in 1983, manufactured by our plant, transformer substations were installed in the Moscow Kremlin. Power supply of launcher during execution of Soviet-American space program Soyuz Apollo was provided by transformer substations with dry transformers, specially developed and manufactured by Chirchik Transformer Plant. In 1977, Chirchik Transformer Plant has developed and started branch production of first transformers for electric locomotives. Within past years, Chirchik Transformer Plant has developed and supplied to customers more than 2,000 transformers of this kind. Among users, leading railway companies of CIS, including Russian Railways, Uzbek Railway Company, Urkzheleznica, and others. However, our main partners in this direction are Russian Railways and manufacturers of electrical locomotives and trains, Novocherkassk Electric Locomotives Building Plant and Demikhvolsk Machinery Plant. At present time, per order of leading companies in electric locomotives building industry of Russian Federation, Chirchik Transformer Plant is manufacturing the following types of transformers. ONDCE 4350 for locomotives type 2EC5K Ermak, manufactured by Novocherkassk Electric Locomotives Building Plant. ONDCE 5700 for locomotives EP1M, same plant. ONDCE 8000 for traction unit OP1, manufactured by Dnepropetrovsk Electric Locomotives Building Plant and manufactured by Novocherkassk Electric Locomotives Building Plant. ODCR 1600 for suburban electric trains type ED9M, manufactured by Demikhvolsk Machinery Plant. ODCE 2000 for suburban electric trains type ED9E, manufactured by Demikhvolsk Machinery Plant. In 2009, for the first time on the territory of CIS, Our plant has developed and manufactured traction transformer ONDCR 10,000, designed for use on double-system passenger 6-axis electronic locomotives EP20, developed by CJSC Transmash Holding together with French company Alstom. Plant is producing dry and oil distribution transformers with voltage 6 to 10 kilovolts, oil power transformers with voltage 35, 110, and 220 kilovolts, special transformers, instrument, furnace, etc. Transformer substations for industrial purposes, indoor and outdoor types, with voltage from 6 to 40 kilovolts. Complete distribution devices, MV type. The plant implements projects for complex equipping and construction of turnkey energy objects, including engineering and project support, construction, delivery, installation, and commissioning. Resources management processes optimization system using by company specialists per all cycle of works provides decrease of total cost. Execution of works projecting is performing by project engineering department of chief designer based on licenses issued for the right of design power objects up to 220 kilovolts, plus cooperation with leading branch-wise and regional design and research institutes, manufacturers and equipment suppliers. Construction, installation, and commissioning of energy turnkey objects is organized by Construction and Mounting Division. All products are manufactured at our own production facilities with a total area of 90,000 square meters. Company has a local railways and hallways, crane equipment, areas, and shelters for temporary permanent storage of materials, oil facilities, power supply systems, and utilities. Design departments can create any new kind of transformer and substation within short period of time for customization. Our designers and engineers use up-to-date software per the following profiles. Licensed Software Pro Engineer, standard package for designing, engineering, and mathematical calculations and special expansion for design of cable and piping systems of transformers. Licensed software for 3D simulation, AutoCAD, Compass 3D. Licensed software for calculation of active part of transformers, Sapper Ton. Software package vertical for technological preparation of production, development of technical processes, and materials rate setting. In order to fulfill customers' requirements and to increase level of manufacturability of products, our plant has purchased up-to-date equipment which allow to change process to the reach high qualities of products manufacturing. At present time, assemblies and parts for transformers and transformer substations are manufacturing with use of modernized technological processes. Parts made from sheet metal are manufactured with use of plasma and gas arc cutting on machines Hyperterm, USA. Hydraulic shears and bending presses of Schroeder Fasti, Germany. Transformer tanks with corrugated walls are manufacturing on machine for corrugating with welding units and automatic edge welding, Georg, Germany. Forging of products from profiled iron is made on the forging machinery for metal cold hammering. Semi-automatic submerged arc welding in the carbon dioxide medium is made by means of portable automatic welding machines of Kelsberg Company, Germany, and semi-automatic welding with application of arc welding semi-automatic devices manufactured by Ukraine-Swedish company Selma. The high quality of welding is provided thanks to the stable feeding of the welding wire regulated by the counter. Welding of studs, lugs, and bolts is made by means of condenser welding machines. Sawyer, Germany, with high quality and without weld leg and fully perpendicular to the welding plane. Surface treatment is made in 2-operator shot blasting pneumatic chamber jet rassure, France. As abrasive material, it is used iron and steel shot. Painting is finishing the process of tanks manufacturing and other metal structures of transformers and is made in 2-operator paint and dry chamber jet rassure, France. The chamber operates by turns in 2 modes, painting and drying, at the set schedule of rising and decreasing of the pressure of the temperature. Slitting of transformer steel for transformers cores is made on the automatic line of Comex, France. Slitting of core plants with the specified length of the steel straps with the width equal to the width of the plates to be manufactured, and hole punch of these plates, if necessity, are made on the automatic lines of Georg, Germany. Paper tape for insulation and winding wires is manufactured on the coil slitting machine Kampf. Insulation with capable paper and Nomex with high capacity and accuracy with the quantity of insulation layers from 1 up to 4 is made on the automatic lines Portier, France, and Gabler and Griller, Austria. The process of manufacturing of complete transformer substations represents the manufacturing of the metal structures, communication of the power chains and apparatus, final assembly. So, the manufacturing of parts from sheet metal with thickness up to 4 mm is made on the coordinate punch machine Trumpf, Germany. Cutting from rods and shapes is made on the universal press machine Gecka, Spain. Parts from non-ferrous metal are manufactured with using of hydraulic shearing machine Schroeder, Germany. Sawing of solid material is made on the bandsaw machine Pegas, Czech Republic. Machining of parts is made on the turning and milling machine center units of Haas, USA. Bending of parts with thickness up to 4 mm is made on sheet bending press Trumpf, Germany. Bending of tubes for transformer cooling systems is made on tube bending machine manufactured by Ineco, Spain. Forming of parts and punching of holes for buses, terminals, and other parts from aluminum and copper is made on the universal press Dagana Maschine. Semi-automatic welding and carbon dioxide medium is made on the semi-automatic machine Combi 162 turbo manufactured by Blue Weld, Italy. TIG welding is made on the UDGU 501500 unit manufactured by Ukraine-Swedish company Selma. For painting of complete transformer substation, the complete automatic line for electrostatic painting with powder enamels made by Stalker is used for surface treatment and powder coating of small-sized items being operated both indoors and outdoors. At manufacturing of transformer substations, we apply techniques, components, and assemblies of leading European manufacturers of the high-voltage equipment ABB, Siemens, Areva companies, and a number of Russian manufacturers. On our enterprise, we have a center for high-voltage tests, laboratory measurements, and metrology, which is the only in Central Asia having certification for condition of all types of high-voltage tests. 7 test stations equipped with benches for high-voltage tests provide conduction of all types of tests for power and distribution transformers, as well as for transformer substations. Machine room with high-power generators and impulse test laboratory for conduction of lighting test with chopped wave makes this center unique. Safety and quality of our enterprise's products are confirmed with compliance certificates got in the National Certification System of the Republic of Uzbekistan and Russian Federation. Since 2004, the company has entered and successfully applies quality management system on the basis of international standard ISO 9001, version of 2000 and 2008 years, issued by certification agency KEMA Quality and RVTUV. The quality department of the enterprise controls all aspects of quality, metrology, certification, testing of products and materials, as well as matters of guarantee of service and maintenance. The department takes participation in analysis of the quality management system carried out by top management, coordinates works of all subordinate departments in the field of quality of products, raw materials, semi-finished products, and purchased items. Qualification of plant staff is maintained on the appropriate level owing to conditions improvement of personal qualification in the basic educational organizations of electrical engineering sphere. Staff training department makes arrangements for retraining of personnel, methodical work with teachers and instructors of in-plant training, as well as for enhancement of educational and material means in this training center. Products of Churchill transformer plant operate reliably in the power distribution systems on the enterprises of oil, gas, coal, mining, metallurgical industries, as well as in the agricultural sector and railway transportation. Qualification of the plant specialists, its design and production capabilities provide implementation of any special requirements of customers which relate to design and climatic configuration of the equipment. Within recent years, the plant has realized a number of complex construction projects of turnkey power objects in Uzbekistan, providing for external power supply for gas condensate fields of Kanjum Group for Hauzak Field for Lukoil Company, production and installation of package transformer substations Gorno-Rudnaya and Urgut ordered by state joint company Uzbek Energo, production and turnkey installation of the package transformer substation for external power supply of mining and processing complex Handiza of Almalikski Mining and Metallurgical Plant and many others. For the last 30 years, production of the company has been delivered to more than 20 countries of the world: Russia, Mongolia, North Korea, China, Laos, Vietnam, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Syria, Iraq, Egypt, Libya, Morocco, Turkey, Greece, Bulgaria, Poland, Guinea, Bolivia, Cuba, and many others. Today, Chirchik Transformer Plant Company is a leading enterprise of electrical engineering industry of the Republic of Uzbekistan and successfully enters into competition with the other leading enterprises in the electro-technical field.